Hi my loves, what's up, it's JeanitaMarieBlue. Today I want to take you on a magical experience. I'll be showing you some Halloween costumes that I put together for you and I hope that you like. Our first Halloween costume is this Tinkerbell costume. It is so cute. It's a soft velvet material. It comes with the little shoulder pads. You get your wand and it comes with wings. Definitely go out Halloween and spread your fairy dust. Our next costume is a hot dog, but make it fashion. I'm adding my cheetah pumps to this costume. And yes, it is a hot dog, but I think it is so much fun. If you can't have fun on Halloween, then what are you doing? For some reason, cat dog just kind of comes to mind. I don't know why, but it just does. I'm thinking you can do some fun stuff with your friends. Maybe everyone can dress up like food items. You could be a menu. I don't know. Come up with some cool ideas with that one. Next, is it hammer time? Is it? Actually, no, not quite. This costume comes with a face covering / headband. The material on this costume is very soft. It's thin in all the right places and gives you full coverage in the areas that you need. I'm going to put my locks up and bam, here you go. This is a genie costume. It is a crop top and you get pants that comes with it. I think this would be a really cute look that you can do with your friends, or of course you can rock it solo.
Where'd they go?
Guys, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, now let's check into this. Now, I don't think there's anything scarier than the wrinkles on these pants, but don't worry, you can always steam it out. The champ is here, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pop my robe on, pop on my mittens, because the world champ is here. The world champ is here. I mean boxing gloves, not mittens. But this is our fourth look. I love this entire look, guys. It is so cute. Now, this is one that you can pair up with the partner. It does come with a male costume as well. But this world champ costume is, this is one of my favorites. It's so dope and super stylish. Here we are to our next look. Whoa, this looks definitely comes with a lot of gadgets, a lot of fun stuff here. So I'm putting this right around my wrist. Get some help when you're putting on this particular costume, because look, it took me a long time to get into this baby. Don't forget to crown yourself queen. Yes, looking fabulous. Go ahead and add your finger straps. This is definitely optional, but I do love the way that it looks. Now watch out, because the queen is here. Cleopatra has arrived on set. This is our 5th Halloween look, and Cleopatra is just ready to, take the throne. I love the costume. It comes with a lot of accessories. This will definitely be linked down below for you to purchase if you love this look. It's also one of my favorites. Just enjoying the scenery for now. This costume does come in various colors. I definitely felt like a queen in this, ready to take over the throne. Alright, on to our next look. Now this look I'm going to leave up to you guys, sort of discretion. You can kind of really do what you want with this. It is a leotard with the back is out. It does come with a jacket. And it comes down past the leotard, which is cool. I'm gonna go ahead and just snap the button together. Looking good, girl. And I'm off to go. Now, am I Jeffrey, the butler off of Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? Hors d'oeuvres, anyone? Hors d'oeuvres? No. I decided to do something a little bit different with this. Decided to switch this into like a Playboy bunny costume. This is our 6th look, and I think you can do a lot with it. It's fun, throwing some bunny ears, a really simple look, but still very cute. I wonder what this look can be. Okay, so this look comes with a dress and headbands attached. At the bottom, you get a tutu, which is so pretty, and you get these wings. Now, do you see the stinger on this thing? So cute. I'm gonna go ahead, throw on those headbands, but you know, I'll put on a jacket because if I'm gonna be a bee, I'm gonna be a bad one. Okay guys, so this is our 7th look of our lookbook today. It is a bumblebee. I think this is so cute and fun. Like, I just really love Halloween. If you haven't seen my other Halloween videos, be sure to go check those out. I could just see you and your squad, you know, turned into the beehive, looking fierce and fabulous. I had so much fun editing. Be sure to watch the next video and smash that subscribe button. Be blessed, be beautiful, be you. Ciao. Mwah.